going on, everybody? You're back at the construction site. Today we're checking out a couple houses. This video is going to be more fast paced, and I'm only going to post like every 1 or 2 weeks, or like once a week maybe, or once every 2 weeks. What I was trying to say, but check it out so far. It's not bad. Like, I went here earlier today. It looks like a pretty good house. You got, this is what's gonna be the kitchen, or the sink area, right here. This is the basement, which is nice. Careful for some nails. But yeah, it might be a little bit small compared to other ones on the street, but I think they will add more. I don't want to risk going upstairs because I don't know if they're stable or not. I mean, I could try, but I would have fall. Actually, are kind of stable. I still don't want to risk it though. Yeah. This house, it's kind of cool. I mean, I think it could be pretty good. Get down here. This is their shower. They're gonna have. It's like any ordinary shower. Let's go to this part. There's a nail right there. There's one right there. Yeah, I think this is where the shower is going to be because of that. It's pretty nice. Some equipment there. So overall, this house isn't bad. Earlier, I tried opening this door. Can't open it. Looks pretty nice though. Nice door. Signs there. Yeah, just like any other door. It's just like my door at my house. Now let's check out the back of the house. Nice walkway. Actually. Yeah. What's cool about this house is they are going to live right by this one over here, which is very nice view, actually, in my opinion. There used to not be a fence here. Now there is. That's neat. Some wood right there. There's no home map on this, even though it's like basically that big to take it off, I guess. Here is a walkway to the basement. I don't really want to go in here because it's going to be hard to get up with my phone and everything. I might try sometime though. I've done something like that before with another house, which is cool. So yeah, next stop for this house. Look at the bottom right there. You can just walk on over to this house, over here. Pretty nice. I have a feeling it's going to be one of the bigger ones, to be honest. Pretty cool. It has a ladder in case I fall. It's nice. Yeah, this is where like the garage is gonna be. I'm guessing the door will be somewhere over here. And then obviously the basement is pretty decently sized. And then stuff will be right there. So, yeah, this is pretty good. And so, pretty cool houses right there. So, yeah, that's about it. That's about all they've done today. So, yeah. They're still working on the house over there. So, but, tomorrow, so there might not be a video tomorrow. Like I said, I probably only post once a week. I might post a couple times this week though, just because it's my first week of creating this channel. But yeah. Shoot. Just ran over a curb. But yeah. You guys finished watching, and see you in the next one.